part.
Good.
That's what things is for, right?
Sure.
Look, now the next one is filling up. Look, the next one is filling up. See that?
Good job.
Am I doing a great job, Dad?
How about the next one?
Yeah, the switch will bring you right off the track, right?
Yep.
There's no track because there's a house here, right?
Right.
That switch.
We're gonna put extra tracks there, and we're gonna make a garage for the locomotives.
Why are you not making one?
I didn't get to do it yet. This all takes time, kiddo.
There's 5 more tracks on the same side.
I already have the track. I just have to find the time. You see this giant mess?
Oh, yeah.
We just got all the tracks working right. Remember how they kept popping off the track? Now it's fixed, right?
Yeah, look. Move this switch to my track. Yeah. If this switch to me, this switches. Yeah.
I don't want you to switch any of them, okay?
Because it made on to my track.
I know, and then they'll crash together. So don't do that, okay?
But they're both same speed.
All right. Listen, you want to do it?
They'll clash.
Yeah, they are going to crash, so it's probably a bad idea.
How about we park them on the same track? Is that what I do, Dad?
Sure.
I'll call the bridge and you...
All right, slow down the passenger train. All right, now flip that switch. The right one to make it switch tracks. Nope, the other way. Yep. Now one more has to get switched. You know which one? Nope, that's a crossover. Keep going. Keep going, follow the track. What's the other one that's got to get flipped? That's it. Good job. Alright, now you're ready to go.
That's a train.
Yep. Now listen, you're going to go on the same track as the other train, so it's your job to not crash.
This train's not going so fast, so we'll crash.
Good.
Look, it's going at their speed. So when you get to the switches, it will switch, right?
Yep.
Oh, that.
Oh, hit the back button. That's fine. That's fine. You gotta be careful.
It's going so slow. See? No touching for anything.
Yep. Alright, you're gonna stop it on time?
The wheel came off the track.
No, it's still good. Keep going.
Right there.
Stevie, it's okay. It's not off the track. Go.
You're too close to that, Mom.
That's pretty close.
Yeah. Now let's switch the tracks. See? Look. Switching now.
Yep. Now you gotta move the other train out of the way first.
Okay.
So you can switch the other track.
Which one's the top? Is the top the freight train?
The top is the freight train.
And the bottom is the passenger train.
I think the middle is the passenger train.
There is no middle.
Yeah, there is. You have 3 now. The middle one is the passenger train. All right. Stop the freight train. Oh, that's good. Make the passenger train go.
Now we have room.
Keep going. You got to go more because you got to move this train off the switch. The blue train, the passenger train, has to go off the switch. Stop the freight train. Now pull the passenger train up off the switch. That's it. Now switch the switch back. Perfect. You're pretty good at this, you know. How'd you get so good at playing with trains?
I don't know.
You're not sure? Alright. Now you can run them both if they don't hit each other. So turn on the freight train first.
Will they both hit the back?
No, they're going the same direction, so as long as you keep them the same speed, they won't crash.
Dad,
Turn on the freight train.
can you send the middle one on?
You want me to turn the extra one off? Is that your
Yeah.
problem? Alright, here, look.
I not you to drive the passenger train.
Okay. Well, you want to do that?
Yeah.
Oh, you need teamwork? Alright, where's my
You use my phone.
Yeah, where's your phone?
It's at the other room.
Okay, hold on.